Hello student, this is my second video of class 5th General Science Chapter 2 Animal World. In this video we discuss about the exercise. Classify the following animals as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, rodents and insects. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now all student, you have take one copy and take one page. Now I am solving the homework. Those are given in previous online class. A. Answer the following questions in short. Answer the following questions in short. Question number first. What is the natural place of living of an animal called? Answer is, the natural place of living of an animal is called habitat. I repeat again, the natural place of living of an animal is called habitat. Question number 2. What are the breathing organs of a fish or prawn? Answer is, the breathing organs of a fish or prawn are gills. I repeat again, the breathing organs of a fish or prawn are gills. Next, how do the teeth of herbivores help them in eating? I repeat again the question. How do the teeth of herbivores help them in eating? Answer is, herbivorous animals have sharp front teeth, means incisor is a sharp, for cutting and biting grass or leaves. I repeat again, herbivorous animals have sharp front teeth, incisors for cutting and biting grass or leaves. You have write this one in copy. Now next question number 4. What are the functions of feathers? What are the functions of feathers? Answer is, body of birds is covered with feathers. Body of birds is covered with feathers. Feathers protect them from cold, rain and help them to fly. I repeat again, body of birds is covered with feathers. Feathers protect them from cold, rain and help them in to fly. You have write this homework in copy and learn in proper way. Now see here, classify the following animals as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, rodents and insects. Here 16 animals are given, categorized as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, rodents and insects. First here write herbivorous, then second carnivorous, third omnivorous, fourth rodents and fifth insects. So here one by one classify. First, cow. Cow is a herbivorous animal. So cow right in category of herbivorous, in category herbivorous cow. Next, lion. Lion, you know that lion is a carnivorous animal. Here write lion. Then human. You know that human is a omnivorous animal. Here human. Goat, herbivorous. Cat. Cat what? Cat is a omnivorous animals, cat. Then buffalo, herbivorous. Then bee, insects. Then wolf, carnivorous. Rabbit, rabbit is a rodent. Then mosquito, mosquito, insect. Then bear, bear is a omnivorous. Rat, rodents. Butterfly, insects. Dog, you know the dog is a omnivorous animal. Squirrel, rodent. And last, tiger is a carnivorous animal. So here I categorize the all animals in herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, rodents and insects. I repeat again. In herbivorous animals, cow, goat, buffalo. Carnivorous animals, lion, wolf, tiger. Omnivorous animals, human, cat, bear, dog. Rodents, rabbit, rat, squirrel. Insects, bee, mosquito, butterfly. You have taken one copy and pen. Now ready for the write homework. Today's homework. Listen to animal word. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions in detail. Question number first. How is a frog adapted to live both in water and on land? I repeat again. How is a frog adapted to live both in water and on land? Question number 2. What features of a bird's body help it to fly? I repeat again. What features of a bird's body help it to fly? You have write this homework in copy and try to solve this homework. In next video, I will solve this homework in proper way. Be happy, be safe. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, and follow the all instructions given by government. Thank you.